In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you trade your crypto. I mean, how you do your normal buying and sell with crypto. So it's, you guys have been hearing about bull run. A lot of people are like, okay, I want to buy crypto. I want to hold some crypto. I want to hold some assets, but they don't know how to hold it. This video is for you. So make sure you watch it to the very end. All right. So now, once you have the crypto in mind that you want to buy, that's the first thing for you to do. You need to know the kind of crypto that you want to buy. Now, once you have your crypto, then you need to have USDT, that is dollar, that you want to use and buy the crypto. I will do my very best to make another video on how you buy dollar on these platforms. This particular video, I'm doing it for Bitget. For those using Bitget, it is almost the same process with any other exchange. There's just slight difference, but Bitget is more easier than other exchange. Like if you want to buy crypto now on Bitget, on Bybit rather, your crypto have to be in unified trading. If it's in funding, it will not work. But with this Bitget now, your crypto, immediately you buy your USDT, it will be the same place that you can actually sell it. So you don't have to start transferring up and down, which can be a bit complicated for beginners. So now, what you're going to do, once you have your dollar, I have my dollar here already. It's going to show your total assets. You will see everything that you have. On the bottom of your home page, you click on trade. Trade. In some exchange, it might write it as sports, but trade, this is all sports. That is where you buy or sell any crypto. As you guys can see, this is what I'm watching right now. This is Swell Crypto. All right, Swell, that's the name. So now you can click on this Swell and search for any cryptocurrency that you want to buy. You see, this toner, the reason it brought this toner is like I added it as my favorite because it's what I love the most. So now, once you now click on search here, you can, it's going to bring the ones that is currently trading. And from this search, you guys can see that X Empire is currently trending right now. That is why X Empire is on the top search. So now, you can search for any crypto by scrolling down like this. It's going to come with the ones that are currently trading, or you can search for any crypto of your choice. For instance, I can decide to search for Rocky Rabbits. Now, the thing about this thing is that the particular name that of a crypto does not mean that's the name that they will use to list it. I don't know if you guys understand. For instance, if you want to buy Solana now, you just search for Sol. This is the symbol, let me put it that way. SOL is the symbol. So any crypto that you want to buy, you need to know the symbol. Cryptos like dogs, their symbol is their name, but it is not every crypto. Now there's a coin called Moonwell. The symbol is just well. There's another coin that is called Ripple. People call it Ripple, but it's called XRP. You see? So the name of a coin does not really mean that's what you will search. So if you have a coin in mind that you want to buy, you need to know the name of the symbol. Sorry, baby. You need to know the symbol of the coin also. So when you search for a crypto, it will always bring a lot of things. As you guys can see, the first one in this search option is XRP USDT, XRP BTC, XRP USDC, and so many much like that. That means if you want to buy XRP using USDT or using BTC, that means if you have BTC, you can use it to buy, and any other thing that you see there, that is how it works. But for our case, of course, you always choose the conversion with the USDT. Let me search for this crypto called AI Dog. Okay, it's here. Let me search for this crypto called the AI Doge USDT. As you guys can see, I have several USDT available that I can use to buy. So I'm going to buy this crypto because I've been wanting to buy it, but I always forget. So this is a good time to buy it. Now, this market now, if you're just starting, it's going to be written as limit here. Now, this limit means I want to buy my crypto below this amount. I don't want to sell. I don't want to buy above it. This one now is for sale. So if you want to sell your crypto, just click on this sell, and anything that I'm doing now on the buy, you just apply it also to the sell if you want to sell it. And when you sell your crypto, you get USDT. When you want to buy your crypto, you use USDT to buy the crypto. Do you guys get? Now we are going to change this limit. Now you change it to, okay, like I was telling you guys, this limit is like, okay, this is the amount I want to buy my crypto. For instance, let's just say for instance now this AI Doge is $1 per AI Doge, all right? But then you've done your own research and you think the price of AI Doge will go back to $0.5, and then after it clicks $0.5, it will start going up again. So you decide you want to buy AI Doge, but you know that you are speculating that the price might, go lower than what it is right now. So you just set your limit and set it at maybe 0.5. That means immediately this AI Doge hits 0.5, that is when you want to buy. Do you understand? The same thing applies to sell. You can set limits for sale. Look, except this thing hits this price before you sell it. All right. So if you use this limit order, know that there are two cases. If the price of AI Doge did not get to 0.5 that you wrote there, that means you will never buy it to eternity. So you keep waiting until what you order is met. Or better still, if you don't want to wait and take that, you can just set this limit order, put it as market price. This means you're buying at the market price. You may input the amount of USDT that you want to buy. Like I have 7 USDT, and then I will buy. So if you don't want to input the amount of USDT, you can just slide this thing right over here. This thing here, you can slide it to choose if you want to buy 20% of your money, 50%, 75%, or 100%. As you guys can see, I chose 100% of my everything, and then I'm just going to click on buy AI Doge. As you guys can see, I'm going to confirm that, and that's it, guys. It is as simple as that. I think my network is delaying this, and it has reached successful. So this is how you buy and sell your crypto. The selling is the same thing. Just come to sell here, and it's still at market price. I can just type like this, I can slide like this, and then once I click on sell, it will sell. Except if I have limit order here. This limit is for me to choose the amount I want to sell it. Then the crypto will wait and see if it can fulfill my order. All right, so guys, that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to give me a like, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.